Guys, hawak ko ngayon ang report. See, inani ka baga ang report. Davao City Projects 2020-2022. May nitong gi-question sa House of Representatives sa ilang hearing. So, dini nato makita ang tanang flood control projects sa Davao City. See? Klaro kayo na libro, perting bagaa. Office of the 1st Congressional District, Davao City, 2020-2022 Davao City Projects. Example, sa first page, mauni siya ang various projects. Sa first page, makita na to Davao City District Engineering Office. Ayan, so kompleto po. Name of project, preventive maintenance, asphalt overlay, Daang Maharlika Highway. 44,982,000 revised contract amount. December 16, 2022. See? Expiry date meron. Ayan. Kita nyo picture? So, asphalt. So, ayan din. Meron din siya. Ayan. December 16, 2022. What else? Dami pa, oh. See?
Flood control.
Flood control. Asan ang flood control? Okay. Okay, so, ito na, flood control. Construction of reverment. Tama? Reverment. Davao River, flood control, Bolton Bridge, upstream, SAR, New Matina, phase 1. 45 million. 80, tama? Tama ba ako? 45 million? 45,080,000? Okay. Revised contract amount, February 7, 2020. Ito yung mga kinustyon ng mga taon na August 11. Expiry date. Final. Ayan. Yan o, flood control. Muna siya sa Davao River. See, kompleto guys, oh. Department of Public Works and Highways, Davao City Engineering Office, my address, project ID number, name. Ayan pa. So, another project. So, 86 million. Yan. With photos, corresponding photos, my report. Yan. Flood control project, construction pa rin. Talomo River. CO.